Oh yeah, I forgot. Cash is racing. What's he doing? Oh, apparently he's out in front, but we haven't hit the next sector line, so it doesn't look that way. Probably won't be that way. Never mind. He's actually in front, and he's actually gained the lead. Oh, someone's already died. Cash. And someone else, I don't even... Cash takes TDM with him. Bo was one of the other ones who went out, and he's dead again. Nikolai's looking to overtake Cash as he slowly goes up the first straight.
absolutely miss Pat making a mistake and falling out of the lead?
Absolutely, I did. We were focusing on obvious anymore. Why is Cash in the lead?
Why is Cash in the lead? Good question.
Cash should, like,
Down to
not.
you, Haroon Shandok. We need to get like pro commentators here, just working with Anthony Davidson and those guys.
Okay.
And then we got Haroon Shandok. Like, oh, we got KashmirQ making a big mistake in the pit lane. Wait, no, that's Davide. Shit. Got them mixed up, man. My career is over.
Yeah, I don't know any of those guys. I don't even know. I barely know what you're talking about. Oh, okay, people are pitting. Yes, it's the halfway point. I forget that a pit strategy exists. For some reason, asking Captain
Again, I've already hired assassins. Thank you very much.
Oh, okay,
I
sorry.
think I'll do it on my own.
Yeah,
Thank you.
John Wick 2. AKA the Care
yeah,
2.
but in my country, it's called Johan Vitskoslav.
Very nice pronunciation.
Yeah.
I can't create an accent. Speaking.
The country is called No Man's Land.
Oh. Yo, I want to go there someday.
Yeah.
So, back to the race. Cash had a little bit of a moment going into, I don't know which corner that is, but he's fallen back. He's now in 4th. I honestly don't think that anybody here likes the fact that Cash just comes in here out of nowhere, decides to race them, and he's coming close to beating. You have this guy who... Where's Patre?
He's in P6.
He's in 6th. Bo, PDX, Cash, TDM, and Sonic.
I would destroy the fucking leaders. I shouldn't be saying this. Shout out to Cash. He's really cool.
Yeah.
No shout out for Captain Bo. He's an ass.
We're promoting. I don't know how far behind they are.
Dude, this is the most random commentary I've done. It's hard when you have to improv commentary. I have to pretend like I'm actually in the game.
What are you? Oh. I forgot. You're still playing like you idiot. I think they're in game. They're very, very far behind the stream. Like they're saying, "Oh, Greg's still advertising a cheap." I did that like 5 minutes ago.
I don't know. Earlier when I was watching the stream, I had like a 15-second delay at max.
Shut up, infantry. I can say what I want. I'm gonna slap my elbow bit.
Cat. Slap your cat.
TDM's behind them, and Cash is behind them. Oh, frick. Cash still has a chance at winning. This can't be...
Oh my god.
This can't be happening.
Is this truly a drug lord moment?
No. This... Oh, Cash spun. Yes, he oversteered.
The last lap.
Then went into the wall. There was like 3 corners left.
What's it like being a failure all your life?
I don't know. Okay. And TDM won. Nice.
Oh, no.
Cash finishes 5th. There's fireworks and stuff in the...
What's it like being a failure all your life?
I don't know.